Well, they say it's the smallest camera in the world. I don't know. Let's see. Y2000 mini camcorder, the smallest camera in the world. All functions in one touch. Record by one touch, recording anytime, photography by one touch, USB card reader, 640 by 480 at 30 frames per second megapixels, video recording. Micro SD card up to 32 gig. Record during charging. Recycle record. Video compression MPEG-4. File format AVI. Photo resolution 1280 by 720. Storage media micro SD card. Support SDHC. Support capacity. Interface port USB 2.0. Interface external memory card. Built-in microphone. Built-in lithium battery. One-touch recording button. Let's check it out. The world's smallest camcorder. So they say. Let's see if it lives up to that claim. Okay, so this is the camera, which I will open very shortly. Here we have documentation, USB cable, and a strap, as well as a hook, a keychain hook. And here's the camera itself. That's cute. As you can see, it has the shape of a DSLR camera. I doubt if this is a real screen. The buttons here, all these are just fake. And here's the lens, 2 megapixel. At the bottom here, you slot in your micro SD card, and this is the charging port. This is the shutter release. Take your pictures. Now, whether you'll be able to see anything as you compose your shot, I don't know. I'll have to charge it up and see. So let's do that right now. Slot it in. Okay, it's in. Let me bring my power bank. So let me charge it up. Charging it right now, but there's no indicator. There's an indicator that shows whether it's charging or not. So I should just assume it's charging. Now I'm going to get myself a micro SD card. I will slot it in and do some test shots, both day and night. Do some videos, so we can determine whether this is, if this is a real camera you can use. Cheese. Chick, 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 chick. All right. So I'll see you guys very soon. Oh yeah, my bad. You can see you have a charging indicator here actually. So I was wrong. So I'll see you guys later. All right, we're back. We went out. We took a bunch of pictures, a couple of videos, and I'm going to show them to you. Now, before we do that, there's a fake screen, fake viewfinder. All these things are fake. Everything is fake. It's just the shutter button that works. And obviously the recording system and the lens. How you operate this is quite simple. You press and hold to turn it on. You press it once to take a picture. Let's just use this as a prop. All right. You see, if you take a picture, this is how it looks like. When you press it, there, a picture is taken. So let's take a picture of this battery. All right. Now, if you want to take a video, hold up. Let me put it back on. It's a little tricky. You press and hold. There we go. So now the video is working. I should have videoed the battery. You press it once, it goes off. Press it again for a while, it shuts down. So that's it. Now let's see some sample shots. All right, thanks. So I don't know, you've seen it for yourself. The quality is trash. It's sad this doesn't have a screen. I mean, it would be good to have a little screen. Anyway, but it is what it is. You tell me what you think about this. For me, I would not recommend it because the quality of the pictures and the videos is just too trash. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section and take care, all right? Be safe out there.